Before you get started with Go High Level, you need to see this. Because when you sign up with my link, you're not just getting an exclusive 30-day free trial. You are getting access to all $15,000 worth of my bonuses for free. So let me show you what's included. The first thing you get is coaching from me. So that's live Zoom calls where you can talk to me, places where you can chat with me literally 24/7, and 8 sessions per week you can attend for free to get direct help from all of the coaches in the group. Second thing you're getting is my private community. And this group will help you stay motivated and get you support 24/7. Third thing is Snapshots. All of my pre-built plug-and-play systems so you can skip months of the setup. Fourth thing, done for you prospecting systems. These are pre-built systems to help you find paying clients and scale your agency. Number 5 is trainings. So this is full access to my entire library of GHL AI and client acquisition video trainings. Number 6 is my full toolkit. So this is all of my AI sales demos, my sales scripts, my AI prompts, and everything else I use for my agency. And number 7, free leads. Yes, I legit send people clients, but those are earned and they are not guaranteed for joining. You have to earn them.
Declan actually gives away client.
He even give me paying client for free.
And all these free bonuses aren't just theory. This is exactly what people inside my community are using to get real results. And you can even see it for yourself right here.
I'm making $30,000 a month with my AI agency.
I have around 7 and they were all for it. The agent sells itself.
I landed 4 in my first month. I landed $1,000 for one client and then $2,500 a month for a self-storage facility and then $250 a month for a hairdresser and $250 for a cleaner.
Thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month, one for $1,000 recurring, $1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
This month we're gonna eclipse 50K.
Look at that. I mean, my God.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now.
And that is just a couple of the hundreds of success stories that I have. I have so many more. And this is the same system that I've used to win multiple awards and help businesses grow with Go High Level and AI. So I have walked the walk. I'm giving you what has worked for me and it's yours for free. So if you want access to all of these bonuses, $15,000 worth for free, just use the link below and get started with Go High Level and unlock everything instantly. Plus you're gonna get an exclusive 30-day free trial, so it's risk-free. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer personally. Click the link down below.